Understanding the phrases. Deep stack. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, deep stack. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how to use it in context. Let's get started. Deep stack originally comes from the world of poker. In poker, players have a pile of chips representing their money or stake in the game. This pile of chips is often referred to as a stack. Deep stack. When a player has a lot of chips, more than the average player, their stack is considered deep. Having a deep stack is generally an advantageous position in poker because it allows for more strategic flexibility. Outside of poker, deep stack can be used metaphorically in various contexts. Business and finance. In the world of startups and investments, a company with a deep stack of funds has a lot of capital or resources. This means they have more runway and can take more risks than a company running on limited funds. General usage. More generally, someone with a deep stack of something has a large amount or supply of it. For example, she has a deep stack of books in her library. Suggests that she owns many books. Let's look at how deep stack can be used in sentences. 1. In the poker tournament, Mark was one of the few players with a deep stack, making him a favorite to win. 2. The startup had a deep stack of investor funds, allowing them to pursue ambitious projects. 3. With his deep stack of experience, he's the ideal candidate for the job. Deep stack is a phrase rooted in poker, but its versatility makes it applicable in many different contexts. Whether you're talking about poker chips, financial resources, or even experience, it's all about having more than the average. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the term confidently. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.